Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. Welcome back, my gambling apes, man. The countdown is still going on for the casinos, December 17th. I want to let you guys know that these gambling apes are going to take off. I've already got a couple family members into them before this casino takes off. I've been lucky enough to get in very early on this project, right from the beginning, from the minting. And, you know, I've been trying to tell people for a while now. Right now, we have a pretty ideal spot. I would snatch the, you know, I know everybody's got their funds tied up or whatnot like that. But if you could snatch one of these apes up before this launch, it could be pretty lucrative. They were at a point at $5,600. We were at 1.2 and some on the Ethereum. Ethereum was doing a lot better, of course. Right now we have a pullback in the complete markets from that Bitmart hacking, and it pulled all the money back or whatnot like that. But it also helped us identify the really strong projects that did not pull back, that people did not panic sell. And a matter of fact, we have over 7,000 traded in volume on the Gambling Apes. Look at this kink right here that happened. When you see a definite kink in the project and the volume starts to pick up, I don't care what chart you're looking at, and it just like, it folds almost, ready to go up, something's happening. You know, that's a catalyst. That's smart money coming in. And what's going to happen is, look at these apes, 4,900, 5,100. This one sold for $16,000 1 hour ago. And I'm going to tell you guys, the volume picked up like crazy these last 24 hours. So we're going to check out the last day or so. I highly advise you guys get that money bag alerts, get the NFT course half off. This is where you won't miss out on these projects. I mean, the last 24 hours, look at the volume that's been trading. Let's see if we find some bigger ones. Here goes an ape that sold, and this, we got to click on this ape. This ape is cool. He got a cowboy hat on. Sold for $13,000. I need you guys to pay attention. If you guys are not in a position, maybe get the money bag alerts, make some profit off of some of the plays that I've called. And I got some things in the works that are going to be coming that is going to be fire for 2022 for everybody in the money bag alerts. Those who have been invited off my Twitter, thank you for everything you guys been doing for this channel. And I hope that my gratitude has shown. And I want to bring more for you guys. I'm going to bring a lot more to this channel. And those who got my money bag alerts, if you can't afford the course right away, just rack up, you know, because you will rack up. You on some of these projects, just diamond hand hold them. Do not get shooken out of your positions. Whereas it's a crypto coin or an NFT, trust me, these projects, we're holding them long term and they're going to make us money. Coming December 17th, the revenue for these apes are going to start to come in. We're going to start to make money off of our casinos. These are our casinos, not their casinos. They don't own it. No, we own the casino. This is our project. This is a community driven project. And I mean, it's very strong. So right now I'm going to give you guys some gems, and we're going to identify what's going on this floor price. That's where I like to shop around and look at things, what's going on right now. Right now we have a unique opportunity because we have catalysts coming, right? We have the catalyst from all the casinos launching and whatnot like that, and 2022 with everything to do with metaverses and NFTs. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be very huge. So right now, let's look at this floor price. Let's make sure for me not doing it. Okay, we got the floor price right here. We got 5 likes, right? We got 1.1. Very quickly, this is gonna shoot up to 1.6, 1.2s. I want to check out these lines really quick. Okay, so we'll be in the 1.2s for a second, but right now, this ape that has 5 likes, right? Buying now is $4,700. So $4,700. Go right back. Right. Okay, we got another one that just came in for $4,700 as well. So this is going to be that base. So then we're going to check right here. This one automatically is at, so 47 to 49. So this is not where we're at yet. Hold on a second. Okay. You want to see where that gap is at. Like this ape right here, he has 10 likes. He has a white background. Those are a lot more rare. He has 10 likes. So 10 people have already liked it, this one, and they favored it. 447 people have viewed it. Okay, out of 1 out of 10, you could say that there's a chance that somebody's probably going to get this ape again later on. And what we're going to look at right now is, because I'm doing these NFTs different, man. I'm telling you, you can look on YouTube. Ain't nobody doing how I'm doing this NFT thing. It's a little bit different. This is a whole new space. You guys can literally carve and be a trailblazer on your own path with this. So we got this ape right here. Notice how close he is to these right here, and how fast it's going to switch to 1.2, and these apes don't have that many likes. Notice also how the characteristics of the apes are dimming down. Like a lot of the ones that barely had anything, they're all gone. Now we're starting to see some of these. This is going to change. Eventually we're going to start to see the more valuable ones that are worth a lot more. This guy right here is super cheap. This is crazy right here. He has headphones on. He has the Bitcoin necklace on. Let's check out his properties actually. This is pretty crazy right here. This is $5,800, considering that just a week ago they were at 52 to 56, ranging anywhere in there. And this ape is right here at this $5,800. This is going to be a $10,000 ape easy. I can see this. Let me know if you guys cop this ape. If you're part of the ape family, you got him. Let me know down in the comments below. I guarantee this ape right here is going to make somebody a lot of money. Got a good number, 6963. We're going to check out the properties. Okay, we got Vegas Purple, less than 3%. Bitcoin Ice, only 4%. The hat is the earbuds, 4%. The polo is 3%. So we have, and the skin is 8%. So we have a lot of, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under 10%. That's really good. That's really good. It has a lot of traits. Okay, this ape is pretty lucrative right now. So right now I can see, let's go to volume trader really quick. I can't believe that ape, well, I can believe, I know what's up. Like that sold for $16,500. Let's check this ape out. Let's give him his clout that he deserves. Let's check out these properties and what they liked about it. And now they have this ape for sale for $3.3 million. Wow. I advise you guys to take that in as well. This guy invested $16,000, and he's not even planning on letting it go till he gets to 3 million. He knows what's going on. He put $16,000. This is, you know, some type of whale, somebody with some decent money, you know, been doing their thing. But let's check out these properties. And I love that they did the number 777. You know, it goes with the whole casino theme. It goes with jackpot. It goes with the amount of apes that were minted. And this guy's smart. This guy's very, very smart. $3.3 million. This online casino thing is going to take off. So Jet Purple, check this out. Less than 1% have this. The Bitcoin chain, 10%. The puff jacket, only 1%. The joint in his mouth, 3%. The earbuds, 4%. The space, that's his skin, that's 1%. So we got 1, 2, 3. So we got 7 traits that are under 10%. Pay attention to the gems that I'm dropping, man. I'm dropping little things here. So like that, if you don't got the money to get the course, maybe you can wiggle your way in and use some of these things. Read in between the lines, man. I'm dropping little gems on how to peep game on these things right here. Shout out to this ape right here. If you watch the channel, if you're a fellow ape, you know, let me know down in the comments. Make sure you share this video. Congratulations on your ape, man. This is going to be a famous ape for sure. It's on the channel. I love what you did. I love that you're diamond handing it and you know what you're doing. These online casinos are only starting to take off. Next year is going to be epic. The metaverse with, you know, talking about Facebook switching their name to Meta. Everybody's going to be involved. Man, this is pretty amazing right here. This has me really looking at this really hard. Look at this. He didn't even expect, he or she, okay, didn't even expect to make that 16,000 and talking about, let me make, you know, 36, you know, try to double up 32 or whatnot like that. They bought it for $16,500 and put it for 777 ETH, which is, you know, that amazing number. What was that? 3.4 million. So that's pretty crazy mintity. So shout out to this fellow ape right here. Make sure you guys go show them some love. And this goes to show you the type of community that these apes have. They're diamond handing. They're going to be getting a lot of passive income. I'm sure they're probably holding more apes. That's the most lucrative thing to do. I've been getting some family members to get them while they're cheap. Because if you thought, let's say right now, if you bought these apes when they were even 1.2, right? And you thought it was cheap. You know, if you go to the store and you see something for $100, and then later on you see it drop to $50. If you thought it was worth it at $100, why would you not double down on it at $50? That's why a lot of times on projects that I believe in, things that are structured right, good roadmaps, strong communities, when I see them dip, You guys know what tokens I rock with and what NFTs I do. When I see them dip, I just load my bag up more. I don't shake out of my position. I don't do none of that. That is not how you're going to win in this game. So if you thought that these apes were worth the money at 1.2, 1 point, when they get to 1.3, if you see a pullback like we did earlier, they were 1.09, I believe they were. If you thought they were worth money at 1.2, if you went to the store and you bought something, let's say a necklace or whatnot, we'll just use $100 and it was a good price, and then you go to the store and you see them at $50, why not buy a couple more? You can give them to your mom, to whoever, and if you thought it was a good price at 100, how could you not think it's a better price at $50? If you really believed in the project, you should have only put in the $100 if you really believed in the project. So if you see that project pull back because some people got shooken out of their spots, unfortunately, then how could you not buy it at $50? And obviously these apes cost a lot more. That's just an analogy for the tokens and coins and NFTs that we use. When you see them and you see them drop back, if you're in a position to load up more, I highly advise you guys to, especially if it's a project you guys believe in. Make sure you guys tap in on that money bag alerts. You guys would have been super early on this project. It's still very early on this project. I highly advise you guys get that money bag alerts if you're in a position to get that NFT course to start maybe later on down the road, especially with 2022, flipping these NFTs and making very, very lucrative profits. Let me know down in the comments. Hit me up via email. Also hit me up on my Twitter, at CryptoRico12. You guys know what's up. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time. Later.